Guys, welcome to Surv YouTube channel. Today we want to bring to you how to make money just listening to music. Wow, this is interesting to music lovers. Okay, our channel is to guide you on how to make money. If this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. The first thing you have to do is you will have a PayPal account, verified PayPal account, not an account that will be having issue. Some people cannot send money or receive money as sent to families and friends. So you have to have a verified PayPal account. If you don't, you can collect from a friend, a trusted friend, so that you can receive your money. Like if yours is not verified, you can collect from a friend whose account is verified and do it. Okay, let's get started. The first one here is called rev.com. In today's tutorial, today guide on how to make money, making up to $250 from 1,000 plus dollars monthly with just listening to music and transcribing. Okay, the first one is rev.com. Don't worry, I'll drop you all the 4 websites that you can go and follow the steps, sign up, follow the procedure, and get paid huge amount of money. It said $1.50 per minute. From Rev here, you can place your order, English closed caption, $1.5 per listening, or as you listen to the video or the music, just your headset and you go. Trusted by 750,000 happy users. Okay, you see this website that pays huge amount of money. They are most accurate speech to text API in the world. Okay, you can become a freelancer and work on your own terms. You can become a freelancer. That's the place that we want to sign up for. Freelancer. Yeah, you get started, click become a freelancer. Okay, freelancer. From here you can be listening to music and get paid. Okay, the 0.30 to $1.10 per audio/video minutes as you listen. Okay, you say no problem. You sign up. You will sign up by getting started. You see here, click here to sign up. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you all the website. You will take your time, sign up, follow the procedure, and you will get paid. Okay, freelancer. In this freelancer, when you sign up, you transcriptionist, you listen to music and you get paid. You listen to audio and video, accurate type what is being said and label the speaker. Yes, you will listen to this and you will get paid by transcribing it. There are some platform that you can download the sound and upload it in a certain platform. They will translate it with no issue. But if you have any issue concerning this other platform that you cannot translate the audio that you've listened to text, you let me know so that I'll send you the portal that can help you do that. Okay, the second one here in my list is called scribe.com. Scribe.com is a freelance transcription. You can sign in if you have an account. You can also sign up if you don't have an account. What is transcription? You listen, correct, and get paid. It is just a simple rule. You listen, you correct, and get paid. How much can you earn in a month? You can earn up to $800 per month. Okay, you have daily hours, good English comprehension, ability to interpret conversation, ability to apply context and identify mistakes. Two, you have to have a verified PayPal account, as I said earlier, a laptop slash desktop computer and internet connection, a headphone slash headset, okay, provided solely for the purpose of illustration and estimation. How can you get started? You can get started by just signing up. What are transcribers guide? The transcribers guide has all details about the job, okay? By you clicking the transcribers guide, it will guide you on the rules and the concept or the policy of the platform, okay? Uh, they said the platform has been established or been in the business since 2008. So it's a verified platform for about 80 million, let's say 8 million, I beg your pardon, 8 million transcribed, with about 50,000 certified transcribers globally, with 4 million in payouts, $4 million in payout. So it is a trusted platform with a good review, with trust, how is it called? Good trust. Okay. Top five reasons to sign up. You can earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. Okay. Earning depend upon your skill level and time spent. Okay. Automated transcribe. You let our API help you to get most of the work done automatically. Work from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Work at your convenience. Short files. What you need to do is just to click sign up and start earning. Okay, you fill this information, a customer account. You will not choose customer, you choose transcriber because you want to help. Make sure you click this place that I'm not a robot. Okay, it said choose a boss. You just choose boss, and verified. Okay, that marks that you are not a robot. I said Mr. Surv. Okay, let me use my official remove address from Chrome. Cancelled. I said Surv channel. Okay. Said American number. No, I'm not in the United States. I'm in Nigeria. Okay. You've seen. You fill all this information. I don't want this to take most of your time. The next one is called Go Transcripts. Okay. Go Transcript here is paying you as you listen to audio or video music. It's the same thing. Don't worry about the link. I'm going to send you the link, okay? Go Transcript will help you, guide you on what to do. Then by applying, listening to music, you get paid. It's also a trusted portal, okay, that you can go, you earn good money. An average earning per month is 150. That is too small. Then the top monthly earner or earnings is about $1,215, as you can see on the screen. $1,215. Okay, then the average is $150 per month. Then you can pay. Audio is about 50 cent 60 cent, I beg your pardon, 60 cent, you see on the screen. Okay, then the platform, there has a language, a job language. Don't worry about this. Google Translate can also help you to translate from any language in the world to English. Okay, you use Google Translate to help you and ease your job. You can join the platform by just signing up. Okay, the last but not the least today is called, this one is called transcribe.me. Okay, transcribe.me. Okay, this one too is doing the same thing. You monetize your downtime with the industry highest pay. They pay $15 to $22 per audio hour. They pay They are the best, okay, one of the best, okay. The average is 250, while the other one was just $150. Okay, special team is 60 to 70 plus per audio. Okay, this special team is are those that have stayed in the business for long and they understand the rudiment of the business. So you can now join special team. You earn big as a special team member. Okay. Please, if this is the first time of watching our channel, please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, this will make us to um give you more updates, getting our tips on how to make money online, you earn big. Okay, earning online is to earn from home, even where you are working. You can just be doing your part-time and checking your mobile to earn good money. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.